Hello everyone, let us continue our discussion on straight lines. Let's have next problem. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. That cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Once again question number 12 in exercise 10.2, right? Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. This is the question, right? What are the conditions they have given? Our required line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, means equal intercepts, and it passes through the point 2, 3, right? Just consider one 2D plane and assume that this is our line, required line. It passes through the point 2, 3. X value 2, y value 3. It passes through this point and it makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, right? Means instead of A, B, usually x intercept is A and y intercept is B, but in this case both the intercepts are equal. Equal means A equal to B, right? This is 0, A only. Why? Because x intercept and y intercepts are equal, which makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. X intercept is equal to y intercept, right? X intercept is equal to y intercept means A equal to B they have given. Hence I took A comma 0 and 0 comma A, right? X intercept and y intercepts are equal. Then tell me what is equation of the straight line in intercept form? X by A, this is our required equation, right? X by A plus y divided by, whether y divided by B equal to 1 or y divided by A only. General equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. But in this case, A value is equal to B means I will take instead of B, A, that's equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to A. Take this as equation number 1. And one more condition they have given. Our required line passing through the point 2, 3 means this point passes through the point 2, 3. Means this line satisfied this point or this point satisfied this line. One line it is. Line 1 passes through. Line 1 passes through 2, 3, right? Passes through 2, 3 means replace x value 2 and y value 3. Then 1 becomes 2 plus 3 is equal to A. Passes through means replace x value as x coordinate and y value as y coordinate, right? Then what is A value? A is equal to 5. Just replace A value in equation number 1. That is our required equation. Therefore, required equation is x divided by, what is A value? This is our A value, x divided by 5 plus y divided by 5 is equal to 1. This is our required equation of the line. Clearly intercepts A is equal to B means A value 5, B value 5. So this is our required equation of the line. Next question. Next question, question number 13 in exercise 10.2, right? Find equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma 2, right? And cut off intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 9. Once again question, and it is important one for 3 mark, right? Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma 2. Our required line passing through 2 comma 2 and cutting off intercepts on the coordinate axis. Our required line intersect both x axis as well as y axis, whose sum is 9, right? For the reference, consider 2D plane, right? This is x axis and y axis, and this is our required line L. What they have given, our required line passes through the point 2 comma 2, and it clearly it is in the intercept form is a comma 0 and 0 comma b. In this case, both intercepts are not equal, right? One more condition they have given, sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis is 9. What is x intercept? They have given x intercept plus y intercept is equal to 9 they have given, right? Sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis means x intercept plus y intercept is equal to 9. It is one condition they have given, right? Then what is x intercept notation? Small a. What is y intercept notation? Small b. That's equal to 9. Then what is b value? B is equal to 9 minus a, right? Then what is required equation? Required equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Equation 1 or line 1 passes through which point? Passes through which point? This line. Equation number 1 represents equation of this line L, right? This is general equation of the line in intercept form. This line passing through line 1 passes through line 1 passes through which point? That is 2 comma 2. Passes through 2 comma 2 means simply replace x value 2, y value 2 in equation number 1. That is 2 divided by a plus 2 divided by b, that's equal to 1. And just look at the relationship between small a and small b, means relationship between x intercept and y intercept. Can you replace b as 9 minus a, right? Eliminate one of the variable. Here there are 2 variables. From the given data, replace one of the variable small b. Take this as star, one equation star, then it will be 2 divided by a plus 2 divided by, simply replace b value from equation star, or else take this as equation number 2, no problem, right? From equation number 2 replace b value, right? From equation number 2 b value is 9 minus a, that's equal to 1. It is because of equation number 2, right? I replace b value from equation number 2 in equation number 1, I think. After this, just simplify. Taking LCM, 2 into 9 minus a plus 2a, taking LCM, after that cross multiplication a into 9 minus a, right? Then 18 minus 2a plus 2a, right? Just taking LCM, after that 18 minus 2a plus 2a, that's equal to 9a minus a square, right? Then plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. After that take these two terms into LHS, then a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. Then solve this quadratic equation. Product of two numbers should be equal to 18, their sum should be equal to 9 minus 9, those numbers 6 and 3, right? 18. Product of these two numbers should be, take minus 3 minus 6. If you multiply these two numbers, clearly we get plus 18. If you add these two numbers, clearly we get minus a. Means a square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. After that factorization, you will get a minus 6 and a minus 3 equal to 0, right? From first two terms taking a common, from next two terms taking minus 3 common, right? That's equal to a is equal to 6 or a is equal to 3. There are two possibilities. After getting a value, can you find b value? Yes. Case 1. Case 1, if a is equal to 6, then what is b value? Just look at equation number 2. If a value is 6, then what is b value? B is equal to 3, right? This is because of equation number 2. Just look at equation number 2. If a value is 6, just put a value 6 here, then you get b value, that is 3. If a value 6, b value 3, then what is equation? Equation is x divided by 6 plus y divided by 3 equal to 1. This is our required equation. It is first case. And what is second case? Case 2. If a is equal to 3, when a is equal to 3, then what is b value? That is 6. It is also because of equation number 2 only, right? Just look at equation number 2 and put a value 3 here. If you put a value 3, then what you get? B is equal to 6, right? Then what is equation? If a means x intercept, b means y intercept, then what is equation? X divided by 3 plus y divided by 6 equal to 1. There are two possible equations. Their sum of their x intercept is equal to 9. These two equations are possible, right? It is one of the important 3-mark question. Next, next problem. Find the equations of the lines. Find the equations of the lines which cut off intercepts on the coordinate axis, whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6 respectively. Find the equation of the line. Find the equations of the lines, because there exists more than one line, which cut off intercepts on the coordinate axis, again intercept form only, whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6. Sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis and product of the intercepts on the coordinate axis they have given, right? Sum 1 and product minus 6. Next question. Just consider one reference figure. Just figure out 2D line, sorry 2D plane, and consider one line. If this is our required line, right, take it as L. It makes an intercepts, right, A and B clearly 0 comma B, and it is 0 A comma 0, right. Then what is equation? Or else what they have given? Sum of the intercepts and product of the intercepts they have given. Sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis they have given. What is the x intercept? Small a. What is y intercept? Small b. That's equal to 1. Sum and product are 1 and minus 6 means sum is equal to 1 and their product equal to minus 6, right. From equation number 2, I will write b is equal to minus 6 divided by a. Now, from 1 and 2, just find a value as well as b value. Means a minus 6 divided by a, right? Simply replace b value from equation number 2, that's equal to 1. Put b value in equation number 1. After that, instead of b minus 6 by a, then taking LCM, a square minus 6 divided by a, that's equal to 1. Then a square minus 6 equal to a. Then just rearrangement. A square minus a minus 6 equal to 0. You get quadratic expression in small a. Just solve this. Product of two numbers should be minus 6 and their sum or difference should be minus 1. Minus 3 and plus 2, right. If you multiply these two numbers, clearly you get minus 6. If you add these two numbers, minus 1. Means a square minus 3a plus 2a minus 6 equal to 0. Then a minus 3 into a plus 2, right. Means a is equal to 3 or a is equal to minus 2. There are two possible values for a, means there exist two values for b also, right. Again there are two cases. Take first case, if a is equal to 3. If a is equal to 3, then what about b value? Either look at equation number 1 or 2. If a is equal to 3, then b is equal to a value 3. Then what is b value? Put a value here. A value 3 means b value minus 2 only. B is equal to minus 2 because of equation number 1 or equation number 2. You can select any one of the equation. Put a value in 1 or 2, you get b value. Then what is equation? X divided by a means x divided by 3 plus y divided by b means y divided by minus 2, that's equal to 1. This is one equation. And second case, case 2, if a value is equal to minus 2, then what about b value? Again look at equation number 1 or 2. B is equal to 3 only. A value minus 2, then b value 3. It is also because of either equation number 1 or 2, right. Then what is equation? X divided by a value minus 2 plus y divided by b value, that is 3, that's equal to 1. These are the possible equations. When a line intersects coordinate axis and sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis is 1, their product is minus 6. These are the possible equations, right. Next question. Next question. P of A comma B, question number 18 in exercise 10.2. P of A comma B is the midpoint of line segment between the axis. AXES means it is plural form, right? Axis. Show that the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. It is one of the important 5-mark question, right? Observe question number 18 in exercise 10.2, right? P of A comma B is the midpoint of line segment between the axis, means our required line is in between coordinate axis. Consider one reference 2D plane. Our required line is like this, intercepted between the axis, means it is in between coordinate axis, and take A and this is B, and midpoint of line segment between the axis means midpoint of AB they have given. P of A comma B is midpoint of AB line, right? Then what is equation of, or prove that equation of this line is x by A plus y by B equal to 2. In this case, small a and small b are not x intercept and y intercepts, right? In this case, already small a, b, c symbols are used up. So I will take x intercept as h and y intercept as k, right? In this case, already small a and small b are used up. So take some other notation for intercepts, right? Because already our point is in terms of small a and small b. So just for our convenience, take h and k. Standard notations are x intercept is a, y intercept is b. But in the given question only small a, b, c are used up. So take some other notations for x intercept and y intercept, right? Then already they have given P is midpoint of, P is equal to, or simply P or P of A comma B is equal to midpoint of AB, right? That's equal. Already you know midpoint formula, midpoint of line joining 2 points. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Just look here. Suppose this is point A and it is point B, its coordinates are x1 y1 and its coordinates are x2 y2, right? Midpoint, if you want coordinates of P, midpoint formula P is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, right? Midpoint formula. Instead of x1 y1 and x2 y2, here h comma 0 and 0 comma k is there, right? Just apply x1 plus x2 means h plus 0 divided by 2, x1 plus x2. Treat this point as x1 y1 x2 y2, comma 0 plus k divided by 2, that's equal to a comma b, right? Then a comma b is equal to h by 2 comma k by 2. Clearly point, 2 points are equal means corresponding coordinates are equal, means a is equal to h by 2 and b is equal to k by 2, right? A is equal to h by 2 and b is equal to k by 2. Then what is h value? H equal to 2a, right? And k is equal to 2b. From the given data we get h value 2a and k value 2b. What is equation of line AB? Tell me what is equation of line AB? Clearly both the intercepts are given. X intercept is h, y intercept is k. Equation of AB is equal to, or equation of required line is, equation is x divided by x intercept h plus y divided by y intercept k, that's equal to 1. Already we know h value as well as k value in terms of small a and small b, that is 2a plus y divided by 2b, that's equal to 1. Among these two terms 1 divided by 2 will be common, then x by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Then after that this 2 just cross multiplication, x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 2. This is our required equation, right? And it is one of the important 5-mark question. Show that equation of this line is x by a plus y by b equal to 2. From the given data only find relationship between x coordinate, y coordinate and small a, small b. And in this problem small a and small b are not x intercept and y intercepts, right? This is one point like x comma y, this is one of the arbitrary point, means in general point on the line L or on required line. This is our required answer and this is the proof. Show that equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 2 instead of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 only when a and b are x and y intercepts. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 when a and small b are x intercept and y intercepts. But in this case a and b are not x intercept and y intercept, right? So x by a plus y by b equal to 2. This is our required equation. Next, next problem. Question number 19 in exercise 10.2, right? Point R comma H divides a line segment between the axis in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. What they have given? One of the line is in between coordinate axis, right? Our line is intercepted between the coordinate axis, right? Consider 2D plane. Our line is intercepted between coordinate axis, and in this case take a comma 0, x intercept small a only and y intercept small b only, right? And one of the point they have given, right? One of the point is in between AB and it divides it in the ratio of R of H comma K they have given. One of the point on the line segment between coordinate axis, it divides it in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2, right? Then find the equation of line L or equation of AB. This is a required line. What they have given? One of the point R of H comma K divides line segment joining AB in the ratio of 1:2. Intercepted between point R divides a line segment intercepted between, our required line is in between the coordinate axis, means it intersects both x axis as well as y axis. Tell me what are the coordinates of R? Already you know section formula, right? Suppose P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2, some point, you can take any point P or suppose it is Q, other than means take it as R, it divides it in the ratio of m is to n, then what is formula? Already you know section formula. According to section formula, R is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, right? This is section formula for internal division. Same formula apply here. R of h comma k is equal to formula. Treat this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2, right? Then m x2, what is m value here? m is to n, 1 is to 2, m value 1, n value 2. m x2 means 1 into 0, x2 value 0, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, right? m x2 plus n x1, that is 2 into a divided by m plus n. What is m value here? M is 1, and what is n value here? 2. Then similarly y coordinate, m y2, that is b into 1 or 1 into b, m y2 plus n y1, 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2. After simplification, R of h comma k is equal to 2a divided by 3, right? And b divided by 3, because 2 into 0 is 0 only. Just equating corresponding coordinates, h equal to 2a divided by 3 and k is equal to b divided by 3, right? After that, write a value as well as b value. From this condition, what is small a value? Small a is equal to 3h divided by 2, right? And small b is equal to 3k. Small b is equal to 3k. Now what is equation? Equation of line L. Clearly line L is in intercept form only. Why? Because it is intercepted on the coordinate axis. Then equation of line L. Line L is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. After that, replace small a value as well as small b value. Then x divided by, what is a value here? Sorry, what is a value here? 3h divided by 2 plus y divided by, what is b value? 3k. That's equal to 1, or else it will be 2x divided by 3h, right? Just denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator, plus y divided by 3k is equal to 1, or else you can simplify, taking 1 by 3 common and send it to RHS. 2x divided by h plus y divided by k is equal to 3. This is our required equation of the line L. Some conditions they have given for finding point or finding its slope or finding its equation, right? For finding equation, one of the condition they have given, our required line is in between coordinate axis, means it intersects both x axis as well as y axis, and one of the point they have given, one of the point is on line L, it divides our required line in the ratio of 1:2. This is our required answer, right? Next, Question number 17 in exercise 10.2. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at Rs 14 rupee per liter, right? And continue. And 1220 liters of milk each week at Rs 16 rupee per liter. Assuming that a linear relationship between selling price and demand. This is a linear relationship between selling price and demand. How many liters could he sell weekly at Rs 17 rupee per liter? Linear relationship between selling price and demand means clearly it is straight line, right? Linear relation means, linear equation means clearly it always represents a straight line, right? Any linear equation represents a straight line. Linear equation in two variable. Here two coordinates are there. In this case selling price is one coordinate and demand is another coordinate. Price and demand. Here there are two coordinates. Linear relationship between two coordinates means clearly it is a straight line, right? A milk owner sell 980 liters of milk at 14 rupees per and take price as x coordinate and demand as y coordinate, right? Means price is 14 rupees per liter. How many liters he sell? 980 liters he sell. 980 liters of milk he sell 14 rupees per liter. And similarly he can sell 1220 liters of milk at rupees 16 per liter. At 16 per liter, how many liters? 1220. Then what they ask? In such a way that if he sell, how many liters of milk he can sell at Rs 17 rupees? We don't know how many liters of milk he can sell. So take it as, but they have given he is selling at the rate of, he is selling 17 rupees per liter. Then how many liters he can sell? We don't know, so take it as x. X liters of milk he can sell at 17 rupees per liter, right? We don't know how many liters he can sell at 17 rupees per liter. He sell 980 liters of milk at Rs 14 rupees per liter and 1220 liters of milk at Rs 16 rupees. Then how many liters of milk he can sell at Rs 17 rupees? Linear relationship between demand and selling price means clearly all the points are lie on the same line, right? Take one of the point as A, other point as B and third point as C. Clearly these points are lie on the same line. A, B and C are lie on a line, means collinear only, means slope of AB equal to slope of BC, right? Linear relation means clearly any linear equation, any linear relationship between two coordinates or two variables represents a straight line. Then slope of AB means y2 minus y1, 1220 minus 980, right, divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 16 minus 14, that's equal to x minus 1220, sorry, y2 minus y1, x minus 1220 divided by x2 minus x1, 17 minus 16, right, 900, 1220 minus 980, just simplify, you get required answer, right? Can you simplify? 1220 minus 980, it gives 240, right? 1220 minus 980, it gives 240 divided by 2, that's equal to x minus 1220 divided by 1 only, because 17 minus 16. After that 240 divided by 2 means 120, right? 120 is equal to x minus 1220. We need x value, that's equal to, what is x value? Take this into LHS, 1220 plus 120, right? 1220 means 1340, right? Sorry, 1200 then 100, 1300 plus 20, it gives, add these two, clearly x equal to 1340 liters per week, right? 1340 liters of milk per week at Rs 17 rupees, right? At Rs 17 rupees. Thank you.